USB stick, plug it in to your computer. And now press Command space and type in disk utility. Okay, open it, find your USB, click on it, then right click, erase, and then choose macOS extended journals and quit partition map and erase. This will erase everything from the USB and prepare it to be cleaned. Okay, everything is cleaned from the USB. And the USB is formatted for MacBook to be recognized. So this is where you can download the macOS which you need. I need El Capitan. So you can go to support.apple.com. But if you go with Google Chrome, for some reason it won't download. So you need to be in Safari web browser, and then you just click here and it will download. Here I have a DMG file, which is macOS. And now I'm going to double click it. It opens like this, and now I can go to Finder. And now I see it's here, install OS X El Capitan. So I can go double click, I can right click on here, show package contents, and then go to resources, and then create install media. Okay, I'm here now. And now we go to terminal. Okay, type terminal, open terminal. I type sudo space, and now I will drop this here. Okay, I give it a space, and then I type -- volume, then I give it space. Now I go again here in my Finder, and this is how I named my USB stick. I drag that here. Okay, I press backspace, now space, okay. And then I type -- application path. I type space, and now I drag and drop up file installer. So I go back here and I drag and drop this. Okay, now I backspace, and I can hit enter. It will ask me for my password. Okay, enter. And now it asks me if I'm sure. I type epsilon, press enter, and now it's erasing the disk, and it will make a bootable USB stick. Everything is done. Now we click here on X, and we can safely eject this too. Eject and USB eject. Okay. Now I can remove the USB and I can put it into my MacBook, insert the USB, power off the MacBook, and press the key Alt and hold it. Okay, it should show here USB, but it is not showing up. So I will enter into macOS. I will type in password. Okay. Okay, we can see that the USB is still not showing up. So I will try to get out the USB and then put it back in a few times. Here we go. It is here. Okay. Now I go to restart the computer. And when we hear the sound, we press the Alt button and hold it. And here it is. Now I go with the arrow keys here. I can press enter. Okay. Now I choose this. Upgrade or install a new copy of OS X. Continue. I choose continue. Okay, agree. Agree. And now I created before 2 partitions. So here is an existing macOS that's on it already. Here is my USB stick, and I want to install it on this partition. Install. Continue. And now I got an error. Okay, I boot it up again. And now to get rid of this message, you go to terminal. This is it. Now it works. I got this error in the log. And I just forgot to connect to Wi-Fi internet, and then it restarted and did its thing, and now it installed everything right.